Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have a Moonton account or creating one with an email or phone number. This saves progress. Once done, make sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to avoid timeouts. Next, open Mobile Legends and tap your avatar in the upper left. Then choose Sign In and pick a method: Moonton ID, Facebook, Google, or Guest. You're initiating authentication now, so focus on entering accurate credentials to prevent lockouts. After selecting your login method, type your email or phone and password carefully. You must watch for capitalization and extra spaces. If Moonton asks for a verification code or two-factor authentication, retrieve it from your SMS or email and enter it promptly. Codes can expire. Once authenticated, link a Google or Facebook account for smoother future logins and account recovery. This step reduces risk of permanent loss. Make sure permissions are granted, so the game can You finish by checking your profile to confirm the account name and binding status. This verifies successful login and backup links. If you can't log in, pause and use the reset password flow, entering your registered email or phone to request a code. Make sure to check spam folders. If that fails, gather your UID, registration details, and screenshots, then contact Moonton support. Providing precise info speeds resolution and prevents account issues from.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.